Hello everyone, I'm Sangeeta Shah. I'm founder of Sesta Healing Studio. We run the whole Theta Healing School, which is internationally registered school, and the founder of the Theta Healing branch is Vienna Stephen, based in USA. We work with the art of how thoughts are influencing your physical body, and our aim is that as many people that we can cover up, where people know that their thoughts are completely influencing and causing physical ailments or relationship issues, and make people's lives more happier. We do with DNA activation, gene replacement work and all. NISMA is today giving me this award for the best Theta teacher, and I'm very happy to receive this award from NISMA. Let me introduce to my partner and the co-founder of Sesta Holistic Healing Studio, Richa Shah.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Richa Shah. I'm the co-founder of Sesta Holistic Healing Studio. We here at Sesta Holistic Healing Studio have started the studio with the primary aim of getting healing, getting empowerment to as many people as we can in India as well as worldwide. To do so, we have the prime aim of having various different healing modalities. All the alternate healing modalities is our aim, to have all of those under one roof so that people have everything accessible in one place at one time and can get out completely healed and empowered. We already practice many healing modalities here, may that be Theta healing, EFT, hypnosis, chakras, you name it and it's there. We practice it here in various forms as well, through therapies that integrate all of these approaches. Each one of our trainers is trained in multiple modalities.
What is your message for ISHMA for hosting this award?
I'm really very thankful to ISHMA for hosting this award, because many people have got into spirituality and knowing the power of being able to heal very critical cases also by dealing with the mind. People are not aware of it. So ISHMA is doing a wonderful job by bringing this awareness in people. People don't know about the alternate healing modalities. They really don't know about how is it useful to them and where they should actually, why should they come to them. There are a lot of myths also surrounded that, like if you tell someone that you are a hypnotherapist, they are really scared. So when people know, they'll be able to know more about it without any myths. So I really will one more time say that ISHMA is really doing a wonderful job.
Spirituality being a part of knowledge where everyone plays their own role. So what is your role play?
When I got into this field and as I started my journey knowing more about spirituality, I realized one thing, that each and everyone what they are doing is somewhere it was in our lifespan and we were born with that. As every individual is very unique, so each one is basically are intending that to see a happier world and to see that all this suffering and all this sacrificing and what is happening will get reduced. So I feel we all are sailing in the same boat. Maybe we are talking different languages, but our aim is the same, our mission is the same, and we all are getting to the same thing where we are looking at a much better world to live in, a very beautiful place to live in, better people, having a better life for them and being more peaceful about it. So I feel where somewhere we are leading, we are right now not even becoming any particular modality centric. We are saying that all these different modalities, different meditation techniques are one and the same in the different format. So you can choose any one of them as per whatever resonates.
How many lives have you touched and transformed with your experience in your field?
I'm into this field only since last 7 years. But by God's grace, I have got so many people coming. And today I feel very proud that maybe more than 2000 lives that I have been able to bring some transformation in their life. मेरा नाम संगीता शाह है और आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया ब्यूरो।